All right, this is Jason here with Classic Touch Floor Care, and we are cleaning out a basement carpet that's got some pretty serious oil stains. This is from shoes down here that track down restaurant oils. So we're putting our enzyme grease eater to the test, and just wanted to show you all this. Let's see what happens. I've sprayed the pre-spray. I'm going to go with the scrubbing pad right now on the Odyssey. The basement is looking really good. We do have a couple permanent stains here. Could be a synthetic dye from a drink or something. But the soil in that spot that was right up there, the grease really came out really nicely. It's looking way better. And this hallway right here, we're still working on the stairs. They have improved quite a bit. So I'm going to continue to scrub them with the handheld polisher and the scrub pad. Give them another good scrub, and check this out. The bedroom right in here looks really good. Looks like we got all of the traffic, all the stains that were in the main traffic areas, the grease out of those areas as well. So looking very good, looking promising. Again, using a real tough enzymatic cleaner. You have to work on that spot down there. That's actually a big grease spot to get that out. To continue getting the grease and then extract the dirt with my bonnets right here. So stay tuned. Now we got the last step here where we're going over it with the fiber pad for the bonnet with the scrub strips. Give it one last scrub and extract any remaining soil out of the carpet. Just finished up this whole job. A couple rooms upstairs, hallway. Now we're doing the final touch, which is raking out the carpet fibers, just fluffing them up. Helps it dry more quickly. And everything here is going to be dry in less than an hour, and that's no lie. What do you think, Larry? How'd it turn out?
Excellent. Very nice.